Yeah, good evening, everyone. In the last videos, we started a new concept like dictionary data structure. Okay, what is mean by this dictionary data structure? How we can able to create dictionary data structure when compared with when compared with other data structures? What facilities we are going to get in the dictionary data structure? So generally, if we are collecting individual objects, okay, remember carefully, if we are collecting individual objects, then it is called as a list, or it is called as a tuple, or it is called as a set. But if you are collecting both the key and value pairs, then it is called as what, sir? Dictionary. Okay. Then, sir, in which cases we can go for dictionary? Suppose if I want to represent key and value pairs, example also I have taken. Suppose I have hall ticket number is there. So student details. So for example, if the hall ticket number is 101, corresponding student details if I want to take, then we have to go for this dictionary. Like that in the general dictionaries, word and meaning representation. So this is nothing but in such a type of situations, we have to go for which one? Dictionary data types. Next and after that, sir, how we are representing the dictionary data type? By using this open parentheses and closed parentheses, we are representing the dictionaries. Example, if you take the dictionary, this is nothing but the dictionary what we have. And sorry, this is nothing but the normal object what we have. And this is nothing but what? Dictionary object. Okay. Sir, even there is no concept of index, but anyway, our keys will act as an index. What about duplicates? Sir, duplicate keys are not allowed, but we can able to duplicate the values. These things I covered. And it is going to allow heterogeneous objects. Heterogeneous objects means what, sir? So different kinds of values are accepted, different kinds of keys also accepted. Sir, need not be key must be always something like integer value. Okay, and the value must be always something like string. So no, there is no such type of scenario. You can take any object for a key, any object for value. So these are the things which we covered. Even we can do the modifications. All these things I explained, just introduction part alone. Now we have to talk about so creation of creation of dictionary objects. Sir, if I have a dictionary object, how you can able to create that? See, there are three ways are there for creating dictionary. The first one, we can create empty dictionary by using these brackets, and we can create a dictionary so by using dict function. By using dict function also we can able to create. Next and after that, sir, manually if you want, you can provide key and value pairs. Okay, manually if you want, you can provide key and value pairs. Like this you can create any number of keys and any number of values. This is nothing but this is nothing but the different ways of creating dictionary objects. Sir, up to this, okay. But now my requirement is I want to execute this with the help of one simple example program. Okay. I'm taking a Python program. Okay. I'm taking a Python program, and let us see how it will be for creating dictionaries. I'm taking this Python program. Sir, do you know I'm taking D1 is equal to, okay. Sir, 1 colon ONE1. So 2 colon TWO2. Okay. Sir, 3 colon THREE3. Like this, I created one dictionary. Second one, even I have taken empty parenthesis also. Sir, is that empty parenthesis, is it a dictionary or? Yes. Empty parenthesis is also called as what? Dictionary. Okay. Sir, we are using this empty parenthesis even to represent set, right? Even to represent set we are using this. But anyway, that set when it is going to consider as a set, if you have some content, then only it will be treated as a set. Otherwise, it is going to be treated as a dictionary only, the default. So whenever you are creating any Python object with empty brackets, it will be treated as dictionary. Sir, what is the third way how to create? Sir, just now I told, right, by using this dict function also we can able to create. So total, how many ways are there? Three ways are there. Sir, let me print D1 and then I want to check really is it a dictionary or not. I want to print D2, comma, I want to check a type of D2. Sir, I want to print D3 and I want to check a type of D3. Sir, all these are Python objects or not? Yes, definitely. All these are nothing but what, sir? Python objects only. If you want, you can see py space. I am taking test.py. Are you seeing the first one? It is of type dictionary. The second one, it is of type dictionary. The third one, it is of type dictionary. Like that, there are multiple ways are there for creating dictionary. This is nothing but what we have here. Okay, sir. Creation of dictionary objects. Do you have any doubts up to this whatever I covered, friends? Can you please confirm? Up to this whatever I explained, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. Good. Now, sir, how you can access the elements from the dictionary? How to access the elements from the dictionary? Very simple, sir. We have multiple ways are there to access the elements from the dictionary. Okay, sir. Accessing accessing objects from dictionary. Sir, what are the different ways are there for accessing the objects from the dictionary? The first one, we can print or directly we can access. Second one, by using for each method we can take. Sir, I will take one example to demonstrate both. For example, consider this is nothing but the dictionary what we have as a D. Can I print this dictionary as it is? Yes. What output it is going to print, sir? It will print the dictionary as it is on the screen. Sir, can I take for each I value in the dictionary? For each I value in the dictionary, can I print the value of I? Yes. But unfortunately, so what output we are going to get, just you have to see on the output screen, then I will give the conclusion. So what is the problem with this is, sir, have you observed? It is returning only keys. So my for each loop, when we are working with the dictionary, because it contains a key and a value pairs, unfortunately, my for each loop is concentrating only on keys, but it is not extracting the values. Okay, it is not extracting the values. Sir, what is the problem with this? Yes, it won't do like that. That's why what we have to extract the values means there is one special method is there with name items, d dot items. For each I value in d dot items, for each I value in d dot items, sir, what it is going to do? It will give both the key as well as it will give value. Both it will return key and then value. Both it is going to return. If you want, you can see. Sir, are you getting 1 colon one? Sorry, 1 comma 1. So 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3. Like it is returning the total content. This is nothing but how we can able to access the elements present in the dictionary. Okay. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this, whatever I covered?
Yes, sir. Sir, if my requirement is to only get a key or only get a value, then
Yes,
how can I say?
we have methods are there, sir. By using those methods, we can get only keys and we can get only values. We can get both the keys and value pair in this style. Okay, I will explain those methods. Among those three methods, we have three methods. To get the keys, one method is there. To get the values, one method is there. and this one is to get both keys and values. Got it?
Right, sir.
Yeah, compulsory D dot items we have to write Sachin. Then only it will print. Okay. Right. Sir, next one, concatenation operation. All these things are not required. Even we want to work out on that. Sir, now I'm going to talk about methods present in dictionary class. Sir, what are the various methods that we have? Of course, so just technically I have given the name called methods, but we want to concentrate on the methods. Sir, we are going to concentrate on various ways how we can able to add, how we can able to remove. So such a type of terminology we are going to discuss. Okay. Sir, the first one here, d of a key is equal to, d of a key is equal to, we can take value. What is the meaning of this one? Sir, it is used to add a key and a value pair, a key and a value pair into the dictionary. Sir, already my dictionary is available. Into that dictionary, if you want to add any items, then we can use that. Sir, actually, in how many elements, how many objects are there in the dictionary? We have only three objects. Sir, can I add D of 4 is equal to FOUR? Okay. So D of 5 is equal to FIVE. Yes, you can add. I think in the demo session, in the last introduction part itself, I explained this process. If you want, you can see, sir, I am taking py space test dot py. Are you seeing 1:1, 2:2, 3:3, 4:4, 5:5? It is returning all the objects. Sir, is all the objects got added or not? Yes. This is the way, if you want to add any key and value pair into the dictionary, this is nothing but the method what we have to add the values. Okay. If you want to add any new value, this is the way what we have. Okay. Sir, next and after that, I want to remove, sir. How we can able to do? Very simple, sir. We have one keyword is there called del. So del, I'm taking D of key. So what is the use of this? It is used to delete. It is used to delete the given key under value, the given key associated value. Okay, associated value from dictionary. From the dictionary, it is going to remove the given key and associated value, sir. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, if you want, I will take one example for you to get more clarity. You can see, sir, initially, how many elements are there in the dictionary? We have D of 1 is there, D of 2 is there, D of 3 is there. Now, suddenly I am taking del D of 2. Automatically what will happen? The element which is having the key 2 will be deleted from the list, sir. From the dictionary. If you want, you can see, sir, is the dictionary 2, the item 2 got deleted or not? Yes. This is the way what we have, how we can able to delete, how you can able to delete. So hope you people got very clear idea about this. So if I want to perform update operation, what we can do? Simply we can rewrite. But there is one more method is there called clear. What is the purpose of this? It is used to remove. It is used to remove all the elements. It is used to remove all the elements from the dictionary. Sir, from the dictionary, if I want to remove all the elements, better to go for clear function. You can see, if I am taking d dot clear, d dot clear, sir, what will happen? It is going to remove all the objects, sir. If you want, you can see, sir, is the all content got removed or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to perform various operations with respect to dictionary. I think you got a clarity how to add an object into the dictionary, how to remove an object from the dictionary, and how to remove all the elements, and how to perform update operation. These are the various important methods which we have. Of course, in this only clear is the method. Rest of the things are nothing but just the syntactical things. Okay. Sir, are you clear up to this whatever I covered? Please confirm.
Sir, can we take can we take a input at a runtime like we are taking input with the help of evolve function in list as well as in tuple?
But at the time of supplying the input, so compulsory you have to provide the data only within that brackets. Curly brackets are there, right? Within that, and even in the form of key value pairs only we have to supply. Otherwise, it won't take.
Like
Got it,
how sir?
sir?
Can you please
It's
give me?
in this format you have to type, sir. Please execute the code. You will get clarity. At the time of entering the data, you need to give the data in this format. Okay.
Got it. Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, suppose we want to get a key from the value.
Sir, your voice is low, sir. Can you 1 minute? Yeah. Now you can speak.
Sir, if I want to get the value, get the key by supplying the value, is it possible?
No. Your question is first value I want to supply, then key.
No, first value I will supply. I want the corresponding key for that. Is it possible?
Okay, you are giving input as a value. So for that value, what key is associated, you need.
Yeah. Suppose, for example, I'm giving you one. I'm specifically giving you. Suppose Aravind is a good boy. Okay. So I want the maximum length string in from that sentence. Okay. So how you will do that in the dictionary? How you will get that maximum length
I will-
string?
Please listen. Sir, here in the dictionary,
Mm.
the person who is getting the more chance, we are giving highest priority for the keys. So keys are very, very important here, not values. Okay. So first we have to identify the key. From that only we will get value. So you are telling I have a sentence is there. In that sentence, I want to get maximum word, maximum length word, right?
Yeah.
For that, no need to go for any dictionary, sir. Even if you do with the dictionary also, no problem. But unnecessary because see, you can maintain two variables, two separate objects. For example, if you have a string, so for one by one, first we have to call split method. One by one, we are going to get the words. Okay.
Yes.
So first word length and first word data we are copying. Okay. So second, then we will take the second word length and then second word length we are taking. Suppose if it is greater than the first word length, because in your hand already you have first word length, right?
Yeah.
So if it is greater than second, if it is less than second word, then make second word length as the correct present length, and then you have to take the current string as the resultant string. Like that, you have to repeat by using a loop. Okay, maybe in the tomorrow or day after tomorrow sessions, we are going to discuss about the such type of programs. You will get the clarity by seeing that.
No,
Okay.
so this program is there in your that program section of 350 programs. So that's why I asked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Sir, can I go for next one? Next topic? Yes. Now here we have few more methods are there, sir. So one of the method is nothing but get. Here you have to provide the key. Here we have to provide the key. Sir, what this get method is going to do? It returns the value the value associated with the given key, whatever key value you have given. So it will return the value associated with that. For example, you can see I have a dictionary like sir 1, 2, 3. Let me take we have 4. Okay, 4 and I have 5, something like this I have. Then what will happen? If you print the dictionary, it is going to print the total data. But if I am asking dictionary dot get of 1, sir, what will happen? It is going to return ONE1. Suppose if I am asking d dot get of 5, sir, what output we are going to get 5. Suppose if you are taking d dot get of 6, sir, do we have any value associated with this particular 6? No, right? We don't have any value. So in such cases, what will happen? Generally, this get method is designed in such a way that it will always return none value. It will always return which value, sir? None value it will return. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. So if you want to just have a look once, you can see we are getting ONE1, we are getting F5E5, we are getting NONE none. Sir, I don't want this. So in the place of none, can I take any other values? Yes. For that, same get function is there, which is going to take the key and it will return the value. Suppose if it is not available, what is the default value? What is the default value that we can able to get? Sir, how to do that? Sir, here, if one is there, then I will return one. So otherwise, I want to print some message called null. If a 5 is there, please extract the value. Otherwise, I want to print the message called null. If a 6 is there, corresponding value, please get it. Suppose if that value is not available, I mean that key is not available, please take the value as a null and print. So we can customize based on our requirement. So for that we have this particular get function. So get function is taking how many arguments? Two arguments. One is optional argument, which is nothing but that default value. If you are not giving default value, what will happen? Sir, it is going to take none as the default value. So if you want any other default value, we have to supply manual. Then only it is going to take that default value, whatever you have given. This is nothing but the two functions what we have for getting the values. For getting the values. Okay. Sir, are you clear with these two functions?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next one, okay, the next one what we have here is, sir, we have few more methods are there, like to get only keys. I want only keys. Then we can use which function? Keys. So it returns. So the list of keys, it is going to return. Sir, can I take values? Yes. So it returns. So list of values it is going to return. Sir, can I return items? Items, yes. It returns. So both key and value pairs. Key and value pairs in which format it is going to return, sir? It will return in the form of tuple. I think already you have seen that. Okay. Let us see what will happen. Sir, in this example, I am asking print of d dot, I am asking keys, and print of d dot I am asking values. Sir, print of d dot I want items. So keys method is going to return the total values. I mean only keys. Values method is going to return the total values which are available. But items method is going to return both key and then value. Both it is going to return. If you want, you can see, sir. Sir, are you seeing here 1:1, 2:2, 3:3? This is the dictionary. In that, what are the keys that we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the values that we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this state? What are the items that we have? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5? Like that we are getting. This is nothing but what we have here. Okay. So hope you people got a very clear idea about this. Okay. This is nothing but about the dictionary data structure what we have. Friends, please confirm, do you have any doubts about the dictionary, whatever I covered till now?
No, sir.
Please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next one, the next concept what we need to discuss here is, sir, there are some modules are there in Python. Let us discuss about those two modules, like array module, and then we have string modules are there. Let us discuss about that, and then we will wind up today's session. The first module what we are going to discuss is array module. Array module. Do you know this array module is available in Python to provide support for arrays? To provide support for arrays. Already we have list concept is there. Predefined list concept is there. Again, why we are going for this array module, sir? What is the problem with the list? Sir, do you know the people who are coming from other programming languages? So the definition of array is not a definition of list, because you can see, sir, a list can collect what type of elements? Different types of elements a list is going to collect. But what about array, sir? Array is going to collect only similar type of data elements. Okay. A list is going to collect different types of data. Okay. So, but array is going to, so list is going to collect different types of data, but array is going to collect only similar type of data elements. That is nothing but the biggest problem what we have here. Okay. So to overcome this particular problem only, we are going for array module. It is a inbuilt module, sir. We are not required to do any external activities on this. I mean, we are not required to install anything. So by default, this method is available. By default, this module is available. What is the name of the module? Array. Array. Module name is nothing but what? Array. Array. Like this we have. Sir, now directly programs only. Nothing is there. But before moving to this, just we are going to take import array. We have to check whether this array module is existed or not. If you run the Python program and if you are not getting any error, means what? Successfully this module is imported. Now we need to talk about creation of arrays by using array module. By using array module, I want to create the arrays. Sir, how to create these arrays by using array module? So to know this, we have one special concept is there called type codes. Type codes means what? Sir, you have to give some special characters. So every character is indicating the type of the data. For example, if I am taking type code as a I, which represent what type of data? Integer type of data. If I am taking F, which represent a floating point. If you take U, it is nothing but a string type of data, Unicode. F means what? Float. I means what? Integer. Like that, every data type is associated with some type code. Sir, can I get the list of type codes which are available in the array module? Yes, we can, because it is something like in the array module, they have defined one attribute called type codes, which is going to return the total type codes which are available. Now you can see, sir, what are the different types of type codes available? You can see, but all these things in detail, I am not exploring. Just you can see at the top level, sir, what we have here. So import array, and we are printing type codes. Have you observed B? Maybe stands for byte, Unicode. So H some other data type. I, you can take either small I or capital I. That's why two characters are there. Maybe it is for long integer. Sir, we have Q is there, floating point, double, like that we have. Okay. This is nothing but what we have here. But by using this, how you are going to create? In the array module, we have array is there, sir, which is going to take two arguments. The first argument is nothing but you have to provide a type code, and the second one, we have to take initializer. Sir, indicates the type of the array. The type of the array. What type of array you are creating? Are you creating an integer array? Are you creating a floating point array? Like that. Sir, what about initializer? What about initializer? Initializer is going to give, sir, the values of array, the values of array. Just you can pass it from a list, or you can take a range function, anything you can take. Sir, with the help of this, if I am taking one or two examples, then only you can able to understand very clearly. Example number one. I want to create one integer array. How to do that? Import array. Okay. Now I'm going to create one array. So array dot array of, what is the type code? Sir, I want to create one integer array, and consider those integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. A is equal to this is. A stands for what, sir? Array. Can I print A? Yes, you can print. Sir, can I print what is the object type? Let me cross check what output we are going to get. Sir, are you seeing array? So I indicates integer type of values. What values are there? 1 to 5. It is of type array. It is of type array. Like that it is going to take. So this is nothing but how to create what type of array, sir? Integer array. Now, I want to create floating point array. Then which attribute you have to take? Float. Let us take 1.2 and 2.6, 3.8, 4.9, 5.6, something like that. Sir, can I print now? What output we are getting? Are you seeing here? Accurate value it is taking. Accurate value it is taking. Okay. This is nothing but how to create floating point arrays. Okay. Sir, how to create string type of array? Means a character array. Sir, just you have to take u stands for what, sir? Unicode. But how you can give the values? Sir, very simple. I am taking Prakash, my name I am taking. Now see what output we are going to get here. Sir, are you seeing here u? It is of type Unicode characters, something like that we have. This is the way how you can able to get, sir. Sir, is it possible to extract the characters one by one from the array? Yes, why can't? Happily you can take, because index concept is allowed there in array, right? Sir, can I print a of 0? Sir, what output we are expecting? Maybe I am expecting p, but let me check. Sir, is the 0th location character is coming? Yes. Now I want to print a of 1. So I am expecting r. Is it correct? Yes. Sir, now maybe I want to check a of -1. Is negative indexing is allowed or not? I want to check. Sir, is it accepting negative indexing? Yes. Beautiful, right? Now, sir, I want to extract starting from 0, 1, 2, second location to 3, 4, 5, fifth location. Sir, is slicing is allowed? If it is allowed, AKA is the output. Sir, are you seeing it is returning a new array object? Perfect. This is the way, sir. Just I explained creation of array. How to create the array? I think you people got a very clear idea. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts about this array module, whatever I covered? Please confirm.
Sir, may I know the reason why the array indexing always start with 0?
Mhm.
Sir, may I know the reason why array indexing is always start with 0?
Sir, maybe systematically they have defined in the all programming languages in that style only. That is the reason. Beyond that, nothing. Okay. It is a predefined. Even I too don't know why they have given 0 as the priority. Maybe there is some story will be there, but I don't know really that one. But in every language, it is always a 0. Okay.
So this question was asked to me in one of the interview. That is why I'm asking. I was
Okay.
also unaware of that at that moment.
Okay. Maybe I will check it, sir. If there is any reason, I will get back to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, one more question. Sir, in list and in integer and float, can we take a square bracket instead of can we take a parenthesis instead of square bracket?
You can take either list or tuple or anything you can take, except dictionary. Any sequence object you can take.
Got it, sir.
Even you can take range also.
Got it, sir.
Clear?
And sir, for storing a homogeneous element, which one method would be, or which one data structure would be preferable? Like we are having a list as well as array. Although which method would be preferable?
You want to collect homogeneous items, better to go for array only. If you want to collect heterogeneous items, then you have to go for list. Okay.
Although for accessory time, it will take order of one in both of the cases.
Yes, but the only difference is nothing but I told, right? The only
Homogeneous and heterogeneous.
about the type of the data that you are storing. That is only the reason. If anyone is asking what is the difference between array module and a predefined list, means this is the only difference that we have. Is it possible to create a list which can hold only homogeneous values? Is it
Yes.
possible? So I have a list is there with 5 integers. Can you give guarantee that in that list it is going to collect only integers?
No, sir.
Type safety is not there, right? That is the problem what we are facing. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Right. And someone is asking why we are writing array dot array. Sir, I already told compulsory you should have an idea about Python. In the Python, how to write modules. Inside the module, if you have any data, we have to take that module name followed by that data name. So in this example, array is the module. In this module, we have array function is there. That's why we are writing like this. Clear?
Sir, one is different from list is use array module in this array.
Sir?
List is different from array. We use a array module in this array. Only sir.
Sir, I'm not getting your question.
Sir, how to differentiate between list on array from this?
Just now I told, right? Your list is going to collect heterogeneous objects, different types of objects it is going to collect. But in the case of array, it is going to hold only homogeneous objects.
Sir, can we say that in array the element will be stored in sequential manner?
In list also, it will be stored in the sequential manner.
Okay.
Sir, clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, now we will see various functions related to this array module. Sir, we have so many functions are there. Okay. So we will see how those functions are going to work. Okay. Sir, that we will discuss in the next session, sir. Okay. Next session, we will discuss about that. So actually, yesterday and one day, I think 2 days back, I have kept leave on suddenly. So that is the reason why today I have taken this extra class. Sir, tomorrow there is no class. Okay. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also, we don't have any class. Direct class will be on Tuesday, sir. Okay. Direct class will be on Tuesday. And sir, can I take 1 hour before Tuesday? Is it okay for everyone? 6 p.m.
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
So Tuesday class will be there from 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. 2 hours a session I will take on Tuesday, sir. Okay. So next week we need to take more classes and we need to spend some extra time. Why? Because we are still in the basics. Okay. So I thought to take the classes continuously in this week, but due to Dasara holidays, so relatives, all these things are disturbing me. That's why I have not taken properly. But don't worry, from Tuesday we will focus on. So Tuesday maybe some 30 to 40 minutes I will take to complete this array module and string module. And we need to focus on the programs. That is very, very important. So you will get more ideas once if you solve these programs. Okay. So please attend the class on Tuesday without fail. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we don't have any class. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Enjoy the holidays. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And happy Dasara, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Wish you the same, everyone. Thank you.